It is for all of us. When we're not in integrity, that's when we're most judgmental of other people. Because we can't stand seeing in others what we don't like about ourselves. Which is, I think, why people have such a hard time with drug addicts. Because who in this society is not addicted? And this whole society is all about getting soothing from the outside. You have to look that way, you have to be that way, you have to buy that, get that, do that. It's all getting something from the outside to make yourself feel okay, which is what addiction is all about. Getting something from the outside to make yourself feel okay, temporarily. That's what addiction is. This whole society is addicted. The whole economy. And look at the consequence. The consequence is that we're destroying the earth. We're actually destroying the earth. And then we say to the drug addict, how can you shoot yourself full of cocaine when it's so damaging to you? Well, how can we do what we're doing to the earth when it's so damaging to all of us? But we can't stand seeing that part of ourselves. So we push it all to the addict and say, what's wrong with you? So the biggest thing that stands in the way of society helping the addict and of people individually helping the addict is their judgments. Is the judgments. So I'm going to ask a question now. I'm going to ask you to look at, now, by the way, there's nothing wrong with having judgments. It's very human. You can't help it. In fact, you're not even doing it. When you have a judgment, you're not doing it. It's not that you deliberately say to yourself, what judgment can I come up with? Nah, your brain does it, right? You're not even there. Your brain is doing it without you. You didn't deliberately make. So when I say there's nothing wrong with it, it's perfectly human. There's nothing wrong with the judgment being there. The problem is when you believe the judgment. So the thing is to notice it. Because if you don't notice it, it's going to get in the way.